I am Thuy, a postdoc at the Center for the Assessment of Tobacco Regulations at the University of Michigan School of Public Health. Here at the University of Michigan, I am developing and employing tobacco simulation models to quantify the effects of tobacco control interventions and the harm of tobacco products on the public's health. In principle, we can extract and learn a lot of valuable information from empirical data. Still, many questions can be addressed using the data alone, or it could take much time and effort to find an answer. Fortunately, mathematical models can overcome these issues, especially in tobacco regulatory research. For example, in one of our analyses published in Tobacco Control, we used a well-established mathematical model of smoking prevalence and health effects to estimate the number of new smokers, smoking-related premature deaths, life years lost due to menthol cigarettes over the past 4 decades. Without simulation models, how could we obtain such estimates? And also, what if we would like to quantitatively project the damage attributable to menthol cigarettes over the next 4 decades? So mathematical models have been and will continue to be a powerful tool to address those kinds of questions. My journey into modeling has been unique. My PhD focused on optimal control and control theory with only limited connections to mathematical modeling. But then during my previous postdoc, I got interested in mathematical modeling and found a place where my math background and my programming skills came into play. My first project in this direction was on leukemia modeling. I developed a mathematical model to predict the time course of white blood cell counts during maintenance therapy in children with leukemia. Then in another project, I built a micro simulation model to evaluate the effect of breast cancer screening at a population level. And now I'm continuing to work on mathematical modeling, but in tobacco regulatory research. Even though the projects that I've worked on look at different issues and address diverse types of questions, what they have in common is mathematical modeling. I entered tobacco regulatory research quite accidentally without any prior knowledge about it, purely because of my interest in mathematical modeling. I just wanted to learn how mathematical models are helpful in tobacco regulatory research. Then I found it exciting and wanted to dig deeper into this field. So if you are particularly interested in mathematical modeling in tobacco regulatory research, but have not had any prior knowledge, don't be scared. Just go for it. There will be room for you to contribute. Thank you.